Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So this is just a video to accompany activity 19.4. All the instructions are very clear in the book, but this is the video. So you can just right click on this copy that I have in here. I actually want you to use the one from the previous activity if you can, but I know some people don't have access to everything all the time, so here you go. So don't open it in Google Slides. If you can, open it in PowerPoint. Yeah, so download it and open it in PowerPoint. As soon as this is downloaded, we can open it. Make sure you enable editing. Your computer is going to try to protect you and you won't be able to edit anything. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to transitions. And from here, you can just click around and look which one looks really nice. So every time you go to the next slide, you will see this transition over here. I personally like the Ferris wheel. I just like this one. So I chose this one. And over here, you can decide how long the length of the transition must be. So it can happen super fast or very long. You can make it happen automatically, so you don't have to click the mouse when you so you don't have to click the mouse to make this go to the next slide. So we don't have to do that. And you saw that it only happened with the first slide. We need to apply this to all of the slides. So you can see there's the little symbol over there to show that this has been applied to all of the slides. So if we go and look at the slides, you can see everything is going to look like a Ferris wheel. So yeah, so we have done this, and we need to save this file, save as, and we need to save this as CompuSolve final underscore version. Okay, so you save this under documents, you save it wherever. For now, I am just going to save it under students, Jean-Claude, and I'm just going to put it here. So that was up to number 4. So now we need to print this. We need to print this for the presenter to present with, and we have already inserted a few. So this is the print layout. You want the notes and the pages. So we have notes there for the presenter to read. So he will have the slide with the notes that he wants to say with this. So don't print this on your actual printer. Just print this to a PDF. And we will just save this as presenter notes. Okay, so it's been saved at the same place. And now you also want to give your students, or you want to give the people that you're giving this to, you want to give them handouts. And we need to give the handouts for 3 per slide. So now there's space for them to make notes on. So all of the slides are covered over here. And we will print this as well. And we will make this handout. Yeah, just handouts. Handouts. And the last thing that we need to do is I need to see the proof that you have put in the correct animations. So if you go to animations, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 until 8. And if we see the preview, you can see each line is going to load up separately. So in order for me to see that you have done this correctly, I want you to print your screen. So you press print screen on your keyboard. You can open Microsoft Word or Google Docs. I just want you to paste that there. So this is part of our evidence file. So I'll just make that evidence file. Just put it in the middle, make it big, even put a little heading over there, just make it mid. Okay. So that's our first evidence. And the last evidence we need is I need to see that you have transitions on all of your slides. So in order for me to see that, most of you are already in your normal view mode. If you go over here, the slide sorter, here I can see if you have transitions on as well. I know I can also see it here, but not all PowerPoint versions show that we have transitions there. So you can just show me over here slide sorter, just show me that you have that. So you print screen, and we just paste it over here. So now I can see we have the animations and the transitions, and I think that is all that we have to do. So this you just save as a Word document. We need it as a PDF just to make sure what the instructions tell us. So the presenter notes, handouts, and screenshots I want as PDF as well. Okay, so I'm gonna make this PDF as well. So I'm gonna go Documents, Students, Jean-Claude, and then Evidence File PDF, save. And then you just make sure you upload all of these files on your assignment, and then you're done.